a pretty strenuous sport, isn't it?
Yes, it sure is. To prepare for this race, we had to practice at least 3 times a week. 2 hours a day, about 15 miles a day. Then we lift weights about 3 days a week, and then 1 day we rest.
Well, do you think this is a sport for women? There don't seem to be many women in this sport.
Well, no, I don't think it is. Most women just couldn't.
I don't think many women could really handle this.
No, most women couldn't handle
what
this.
I say to women livers are, go ahead and burn your bras, but don't take up rowing. Martha McIntyre, Channel 8 News on the move.
Oh, not under hold.